Presenting a pre-owned 2006 BMW. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.